welcome back to Nail of the Week. This is my third spring look already. Check it out. Isn't that darling? I love the yellow and red together. I love it. I love spring looks. They're just so much fun and there's so much you can do. So, and then of course I'm going to have a gorgeous toe design and a Fashion Fridays outfit of the day to match the whole ensemble. And that's my favorite day of the week. So, but anyways, if you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you will be notified of all my uploads. And definitely shoot me a thumbs up if you enjoy my videos. Everybody take care, God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my very next video. Let's get started on this design. Hey everyone, so here's what I chose to go with for my third spring look. A yellow French with red flowers and rhinestones. If you'd like to see how I did this one, continue watching. Hi everyone and welcome back to Nail of the Week, doing another beautiful spring look. But I just wanted to show you guys, look at the ring my husband just got me, my new wedding ring. That band behind it says his always, and his band that he got says her forever. It's because it's A and F, Angel and Phelan. We do the always and forever. So I got that band there. It's probably hard to see, but it says his always. I always wear that, but I'm talking about the wedding ring itself. Look at the wedding ring and all those diamonds. Oh my gosh, isn't that gorgeous, you guys? And then he also got me this mom ring, and that's my son's birthstone in there. And then he also got me a forever rose. Isn't that gorgeous? I don't know. This week was a spoil week for me. He's been spoiling me. So anyways, I love them. Just wanted to show you guys. And then you guys saw my sister rings that I got with me and Stacy, my sister. Okay, anyways, let's on to this design. So as you see here, I have done a French look with yellow, and we're going to be working with acrylic paints as well. I'm going to be doing some red flowers and some green leaves, but let me show you what I'm using in today's design. So for this yellow, for starters, I've used a sheer pink, and I use that in all of the ones I usually do, is this one or one other one that I get from Sally's. This is called High Maintenance, and this is Essie's. I love it. And then the yellow, I let my mom pick it out. I have many yellows, and she picked this one out to go great with the outfit I'm going to be wearing for this week. And this one is called the Wonder Yellows, and it's 224C. And what is this by? This one is the Wet&Wild. Love this color. It's so pretty. My mom picked a great one. I love the shimmer to it. And then I'll be working with acrylic paints. I'm going to be doing this bright red by Apple Barrel. And I'll be mixing in a little bit of white just to give it some highlight to it as well. Both from Walmart for 50 cents. And I'll also be doing the green here. And I'm using this one. It's called Lime Tree. Beautiful lime green that I'm going to be using for the leaves. And I'm going to be adding in a little bit of white into that as well. And then once the flowers are done, I'm going to be adding in some of these small little rhinestones here. I'm going to use the red one right there. Maybe put 3 in each flower. Just thought that would be pretty, adding in, since the flower is going to be a little bit lighter than the stone. Thought that would be pretty. And then I will glue them on with a nail glue. Sorry, trying to get that out of here. Just a nail glue here. I'll glue them on with that so they stay. And then when I'm all done, I will top it off with my Seche Vite Dry Fast Top Coat. So I'm going to get working on some of the leaves, and I will return to show you that. All right. So far I have got the beautiful green leaves, and you see I did them in a very light color, so the contrast would be really great. But it is green up against yellow. You're just not seeing it the same way I am. Maybe if I get a little closer, you'll see. See, that's more green, and then you got the yellow. I have left a finger open to show you guys how I'm doing that, my leaves. So let me get my brush here. I'm going to show you my palette here too. Oops. Okay, here's my palette. I have got the red that I have watered down everything, because it's better to water your paints. And there's the red. I'm going to do that as the color, and there's going to be the little bit of highlight. And then here's the green I worked with, and I will get a little bit of highlight going in it right there with that. So let me set this to the side here and get my brush. Make sure I didn't mess up my Yep, I kind of did mess up some of my leaves here. Let me just fix this quick on this side. Had a feeling I was going to do that. Just one sec, guys. I'm sorry. Okay, the rest are fine. Okay. All right. So let's just slide this over a little bit so I can show you working on this finger here. Actually, I do need to move this a little bit. It's hard to do because my little leaves are wet right now. Okay, so I'm just going to turn it this way and show you guys. So I'm going to dip into that color there, and we're just going to go right to the side here. And how I do my leaves is I set it down to one side, and then I go to the other side, and then at the end I just give it a little pull. That's what gives it that leaf look. Then we'll get another one right here. I'm just kind of doing 3 of them. So put one there to the other side, and then give it that little pull. And we'll do one down here. Same thing to one side, to the other side, and pull. Let me get this one a little bit more, and a little bit of pull like that. Isn't that pretty? I like how leaves can, you know, they can be all different ways, but I just love the way they turn out like that. So there is my leaves. Now I am going to back away here, and now I'm going to get working on the flowers. I will return after I show you some, or after I get some of those done. All right, now you see I have got the beautiful red flowers going. I have not highlighted anything yet, just got those beautiful red flowers running through it. I just kind of randomly did them through it and through the leaves. So let me show you on this one finger how I'm doing that. Grab my brush again, and now we're gonna go into that solid red, okay? And I'll just come up to the camera here, all right? I'm just going to go to the side here of my finger. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just go like this. And I'm just going to start, actually, I'll move this over a little bit, and I'll do it right here so you guys can see. So I'm just going to set the brush down, and I'm just going to do my flowers where I kind of go to one side, then to the other, kind of like a little fan or like almost like a heart. And you're going to do a 5 petal like that, just going all the way around. These don't have to be perfect, and just remember that when you're doing it, these petals, you don't want your petals perfect. So just do it like that, and we're gonna get 5 of them in there. So I'm gonna go all the way around here, going to the bottom, get the last one right here. Okay, and then over to here, I'll do another one right here, and just start it kind of coming back the other way. Same thing, put it down, get another petal going right there, and one right here, and one in here. Okay, and I think I will leave it at just the 2. I think I only did 3. Yeah, I only did 3 on the thumbs. So we'll leave it at 2 there. So you'll see everyone done with the 2 flowers just kind of randomly around, and then the thumbs have got 3. So isn't that pretty? Now I'm going to start putting in the highlights. I will do that and I will return. Okay, now I've got the highlights in there. Isn't that pretty? Love it. So I've left one open to show you. Draw in here. We're just dipping into this lighter color red that I made. And we're just gonna lightly just set our brush down and just go into each petal like this. Just running a little bit of that lighter red in there. Okay, just into each one. Just giving it some brush strokes so that it looks like the petals. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And I'm not sure. I'm going to see if I want to add, if it even will make a difference to add in. Yeah, I think I will do a couple highlights in the leaves too. I'm going to work on that and I'll return and show you. Okay, so now I have added in that highlight in those leaves. Isn't that pretty? I like it. So I am going to do that with this finger here. Get my brush here. A lot of my paint is still wet. I'm trying to be so careful. Okay, we're just going to dip into this lightest green here. And very lightly, kind of like I did the thumb when I was showing you, just put a couple little brush strokes through that too, just to kind of highlight that leaf like that. And then you see how it makes, you know, gives it more dimension. I love it. Okay, so now I am going to let these dry up and we're going to start getting the rhinestones in. All right, now I got those beautiful crystals in there. Isn't that pretty? Just makes this whole design really pop. So I left the one open to show you. Just gonna use this orange wood stick. I put a little bit of glue on this tile here Just gonna plop down 2 little spots of glue. Very simple. And then I'm gonna pick up 2 red stones and set them down. 1, 2. Pretty simple. And then of course I'm going to top coat over them so that they last. But aren't they pretty? I just think it really made the flower pop, having that red in the middle like that. And then of course it makes the flower change color when you do that highlight. It just made the red even more red. That's what I like, because at first it kind of looked orangey red, but now it looks much more red. Okay, I'm going to get these top coated and get ready to show you guys the end product. Alrighty, I am all done and I love this. I think red and yellow look so cute together. Yes, they are the colors of McDonald's, but when you do it in this type of look, that's not the feel you get. I absolutely love the yellow with the green leaves and then those beautiful red flowers and then the rhinestones in the centers. Love the way these turned out. I love spring looks. It's just so fun. There's so much you can do, and yeah, I just absolutely think these turned out adorable. I hope you guys love them as well. I hope everybody is doing well. Everybody take care. God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload.